Chica what?
I need your help. I'm writing an epic at Columbia.
Columbia? How do they celebrate Greek life, huh? Jello shots at Pike, Coke at ADP, eating orphans at St. A's?
Zeus, that's what we're here to fix. Are you in?
I don't know, Homer. I'm old. I've lost my thunder.
Look, Zeus, I know we might be a little rusty, but we'll get back on top.
Yeah. I know what these kids need.
Do you remember how it goes?
A drama students play upon this very stage to demonstrate the consequence of glory, love, ambition. No effing way.
I know, see you snacks, right?
No, man, Helen. She looks better than ever. Think she'd still go for me after all these years?
After all these years, she's like 18.
Yeah, I know. That was a wild ride. Woo! Oh, but don't worry. Ancient history, right?
What?
Don't you know who I am? I am Zeus, king of the gods, thunder bearer, Pisces.
I thought you were dead. Do you need some money or something?
No, I am a mainstay in the canon. I'm the thing the college depends on, and I've come here to fix it all up. That's what I'm doing.
Zeus, that's very kind of you, but we haven't any problems here. Our students couldn't be happier.
Homer, this isn't working.
Here, try to solve this problem.
Hot, 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 hot. Genia Trachis, this is Sergeant Frank Hummel, head of Columbia Advocates for ROTC.
Oh, controversy.
What seems to be the trouble here?
The ROTC wants to come back to campus, but their blatant homophobia violates our policies against discrimination.
But ma'am, the military would love to recruit Columbia students. They already know about Middle East conflict. They're used to living in cramped spaces. And they take that assassin's game real serious-like.
But why won't you let the gays participate in military training?
Well, sir, when you take a group of men into battle, they need to be focused on one thing, and one thing only.
Strategy.
Tits. They need to be focused on huge, heterosexual tits.
That makes complete and utter sense. Listen, I think we're going to have to compromise here in exchange for you leaving us alone. I'll give a group of students to enlist.
Who did you have in mind, sir?
Zeus, who would be dumb enough to sign up with the ROTC?
Methinks GS? Hummel, everyone in the School of General Studies is yours for the taking. Most of them are convicted killers anyway, right?
They sound perfect. Well, my day's looking gay. I mean, happy. Because why would my day look...
That's pretty impressive, Zeus. You know, your perspective might be helpful.
Think I could teach a few sections of lit hum?
How many?
All of them. Omnipotent. Plus, you wouldn't have to deal with those pesky TAs anymore. I mean, complain, validly complain, right? Say, is Eutrachus a Greek name, perchance?
Why, yes.
I thought so. Then again, it's all Greek to me.
I haven't been touched in years.
Listen, now that I'm on board, I'm thinking of changing the core a little bit, making it more focused and difficult. We'll call it hardcore. Give the students a deep, penetrating experience. Really stimulate them.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah?
No. You can't come in here and start making changes right away.
But your track attack. Columbia students are stupid, idle, and unrefined. Disinclined to all pursuits that endeavor to strengthen the mind. But oh, what can be done when the situation is bleak? Just one prescription can cure you when your student body is weak. I have a plan to take care of that. Tighten it up, oh, trim off the fat. I know just what you are looking for. more of the core.
More of the core? No. L'état are the classes I get the most complaints about.
Because you don't spend enough time on the material. With some things, too much is never enough. Modern books are just a distraction. Give me the ancients, give me the action. Their importance isn't something you should ignore. You need more of the core. Don't let them try to study blacks and whites or women's rights. Me lack math and music all can go. Asian art, humanities, and all of C's. You track us, please. Classics is the only thing to know. Who could improve on my teaching technique? Goodbye to English, hello to Greek. They'll be quoting Homer soon, I'm sure, with more of the core.
Oh, this is going so well. Good work, me. Good work, Homer. Oh, yes, good work, Zeus. Good work to you, too. Couldn't have done it without you.
But what about major cultures?
Oh my God, I thought you were serious for a second. Woo! Major cultures! More like minor cultures.
I know, it's like Latin American.
Word.
Honestly.
Word. There's a lot of other crap clogging up the core, too.
Well, there are problems with physical education, Pilates and yoga.
A bad innovation, they should wrestle Greco-Roman style.
And as for languages that students can learn,
anything romance is not my concern. Arabic and Hebrew aren't worthwhile. And if someone should ever wonder what defines the God of Thunder, look what his curriculum will be. Introduction to me, frontiers of me, surfaces and me, and university me. Now don't you fear, 'cause the changes are sweeping. Columbia College is in my safekeeping. Take your seats for what I have in store. Sing it, Rockets.
ooh, ba da ba doo ba doo ba doo ya doo ba doo ya doo ba dee wee. Need more of the core.
Oh yeah, more of the core.
Ooh, wee wee, j'adore the core.
That's right, more of the core.
Teacher holds her father's identity.
Hey, homie.
Zeus, what are you doing here? You're not in the scene. Go, take a break. Have a party.
Yeah, I thought I could narrate for a while.
Oh, you want to narrate?
Yeah.
Oh, who's the blind poet here? Is it you? No, let's go look for him. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, it must be me.
Homie, you owe me. I swiped you naked, juice.
Oh, that's not real money,
I'll tell them you
Zeus.
downloaded off I2Hub.
Oh, here you go. Here, take
you.
it.
All right. We now see Ferris Booth.
Next
online.
Wait, Zeus, the next scene doesn't take place at Ferris
Oh,
Booth.
just go with me on this, all right? Helen enters. Yeah. Takes her hair down. Whoa. To meet with someone from her past.
All right, Zeus. Just this once, okay? But not any shenanigans. Do you hear me? Not one single shenanigan.
Thanks, buddy.
Excuse me, did somebody here order condoms and a candy bar?
I believe those are mine.
Oh, okay, that's great.
Oh my God! Zeus! If I knew it was you, I never would have come. The mortals must heed the call of the gods, Helen. What could smell so good in Ferris Booth? It must be you.
Oh, no. Don't come any closer. Okay. Here are your Trojans, and I hope you put them to good use.
Wait! I brought you this. A small tasty deed. Because, baby, ain't no locale substitute for you.
Small tasty D. Oh, Zeus, this is just exactly like our former relationship. It's small, it's unfulfilling, it's empty, it's gone before you know it.
I will finish it. It's so good to see you, my little souvlaki.
Don't souvlaki me. Why did you leave me 5 years ago?
Boy, jumping straight to the tough questions.
I had your baby.
Hey, would you guys like to take some marketing service? Great, it's not like you're having an important conversation. Great, so you just put your name and circle your favorite coffee. And then...
I didn't know.
I know you didn't know. You left before I could tell you. Do you have any idea what it's like to be pregnant in high school? Everybody thinks that your morning sickness is bulimia, but you're still fat.
You seem tense. Look, I'm sorry I wasn't there to meet the little guy.
Girl, her name is Zoe. I named her after you. But I guess I should have just named her Deadbeat, who leaves you knocked up.
So this will only take about 30 minutes and you'll get $7 for your time.
I am sure she is beautiful and intelligent and sexy like her mama. I'd love to meet her sometime.
Oh, I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, I told her that her daddy was a sailor man who died in the storm. Okay, I have to go.
Wait! I want to make it up to you.
Why should I believe you this time?
Helen, I've been on my own, and everything has changed since I left you all alone.
Yeah, a lot has changed since then.
Forget the God I used to be and try to understand. You're the only one for me. Don't you remember summer after junior high? You were sweet in late July. We made love in sunset's dying ember. Running barefoot through the park, stealing kisses after dark. Helen, tell me now if you remember.
I do.
We can have it once again.
Remember when
Everything was so much simpler back then.
Oh yeah, simple for the guy who broke my heart and left me without a reason why. Because of what you did, I was changing diapers when I was just a kid. Now I know that leaving you's wrong.
You'll be gone again before too long.
Being
here is right where I belong.
Since I have my life together, I can't afford to take a chance and waste my time on this romance.
Now I'm back, I've got a job. I'm no longer some wandering god. Helen, don't deny the way you feel.
You know I hated you for how it all went wrong.
Helen, I hated me too.
Do you really mean that?
I'm not saying love me now. We could start as friends. Will you let me back into your life again? Can you take a chance on me?